Hello everybody and welcome to another vlog. Today it's me, Pierre Farrugia, and I'm in Ghar Lapsi. Today finally I'm without face mask again because from today, if you get the vaccine and the booster and you're a group of 2 or less, you can stay without mask. So at least doing vlogs, it will be something better now. So today I'm going to try to go up to try to explore these caves here, but some of them they are not so reachable. But now I started to go up, it's not in the normal path. Look what a disgrace, people. Don't put your charcoal here, you're ruining the fauna of here. And always also people who like doing barbecues and stuff, you will be limited by law then after, because these people, because they throw charcoal everywhere, plus it's easily to make a fire, so beware, take care, at least if not for you, for other people. Now here the terrain is not so easy to walk in this part because there's no trees. You have to find a path to pass between these bushes. But look how beautiful this area is, and those caves. I'm not sure if I will be able to reach them, but let's try. Here's the view one gets from here. How beautiful it is up here. And we are getting closer at these big caves. Let's see if we'll be able to go in. We are under these huge caves, so I will try to climb up, especially this one. It seems doable. Let's go up there and check. Now, this is the type of terrain I have here. You have to balance and climb up this one. Man, we are still climbing up. Take care where you put your feet. Still climbing up. Now I am on one of the top caves. Look how beautiful it is here. Even if you look from here, look, it's amazing. You can see the restaurants there at Lapsi and this beautiful scenery. Now let's go a little bit. It's very high up, this cliff. Apart from half in the cliff, it's very high as a cave as well. But as you can see here, it's shallow. You don't go a lot in, and it's very welcome here because there is no wind. But now we have to climb down. I check the cave next to it as well. It's amazing, yeah. Looks like people do some rope climbing as well here, rock climbing. This is the cave I'm in. It's amazing, yeah. The view from here is amazing, yeah. Beautiful here. I never been up here. Pity that this cave does not go in. So let's continue to do and explore other caves. Now I made it down from that cave. There's another one here, but looks very shallow as well. So I continue on this wall to see. Maybe I found some new caves. And apart from that, the view, as I told you before, from here is amazing, yeah. Here we have reached a very small cave adjacent to the other one, and something I found very strange here. Look, here it's full of iron loops. Even on this side, look, you can find these loops here, and there's here There's loops here as well. Anybody knows why these loops are here? Please comment below. People coming up here, take care, because it's not so easy. It's not an obvious trek. You have to climb down the rocks and everything. But then the views are rewarding, yeah? Because the wind is very strong. It's about force 5. But this is the type of terrain you will find up here. Eh? You always need to climb. It's not that easy. And you have to always take care. Here is this. Here. Now I made it up in another cave. Look. As I told you many times, the views from here are amazing. How beautiful they are. Now this is the cave. This is the views from here. And amazing thing here. Look. This piece here is hanging by this size. Better I don't stay on there. Now again I will put the camera down, because to go down this steep part here it's a little bit dangerous. Then we continue up there and then we check here. There should be another couple of caves, but every cave is amazing, and the view from here cannot beat it. This part is very nice. We made it down from the last cave. You have to take great care, as I told you many times here. Today I am without face mask, because from today, if you get the vaccine and booster, and as 14 days passes, 15, then you can stay outside without face mask if you are in a group of 1 or 2 people. And today I am alone. I'm still exploring this trek, but normally when we do this trek we do it from under here, but this time I am with the cliff, so I'm checking all the caves one can see here. It's not easy, this spot. As usual, these places like this use 3 points of contact, which is easier, or on your backside. But we are doing progress, and this is the type of terrain I'm dealing with. That's not easy. Here I found another cave. Let's go to check it out. As I told you before, it's a little bit hard here walking, because you're always part of the cliff. So people come here, take note. It's not suitable for everybody or for small children. And we have found another big cave. Look at the sheer size of this cave. It's amazing. And the view from here, it's super large. It's a huge cave. Now I will start my way down from this amazing cave. It's very big and the view is amazing, yeah? As I told you before, one has to take great care, because some places are very slippery. But the formations on this side of the island, I like. It's not easy to get up here, but it's not impossible if you focus on what you are doing and do it slowly. It can be done safely. If not, there's a long way down. Yeah, we have to take care. Now I will put the camera away so I go down safely as well. Now here we are passing on these rocks. Always err on the side of caution, because falling is never an option. And here, 1 second, I'm doing it one hand, something it's more difficult. check my footing always. And here we ended up, oops, in another big cave. Not actually where we studies, but let's check it out. It's amazing, yeah, how big this cave is. And it looks at there are many anchor points for climbers as well. Here's a good message, but in the wrong place. No for drugs. But please, don't use caves like this. Even your message will only be seen. No for cannabis. This is not something very old. There's like a small cave right here. Let's check it out. It's nice, yeah? And here we have a small cave. Look at the view from here. What can I ask for more? If I have a window like this, there's an opening here and here. We have a very small cave and somebody here. But everywhere, the views still amazing, yeah? Some water dripping there. Very nice, yeah? And then look again. You know, I'm telling you each time about the views from here and this huge cave. Looks like here many people come to make rock climbing because there's a lot of anchor points and these ones are. After taking a short break here, a cereal bar and some water, and enjoying this view, I think now it's time to start heading down and start trekking back to my car. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you have any information anywhere I go, please comment below. If you have new ideas where you wish me to go to explore, as usual, or comment below, Facebook, Instagram, as you wish, or on YouTube. So let's start heading down now. We can see Phil Flaro. I hope you can see it up there, very close to here. I did 2 vlogs here, anybody who go and see, I will put the links. We trek here all the way to iz-Zurrieq, and I did it with kayak as well. So here is, I like this area. So let's continue down. Hope you enjoyed this vlog in this beautiful location. As you can see, there is something for everyone. If it's a normal trek, you go in the caves or grottos, you can go near the sea. Everything you can find here. It's in some places it's relatively safe, and some others you have to use your judgment. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and until next time, bye bye.